Welcome to Shopify tutorial for beginners part 9. So in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to customize our store. We're going to add collection to our store so we could group our products, and we're going to add images and colors to make our store look very professional. So without any delay, let's get started. So we're going to start off by creating collections. In order to create collection, what we do from the home page, we click on products. We need to create collections to group our products together. So under products, we go to collections, and from there, in order to create a collection, you click on create collection. So you create a collection. So we're gonna create a phone charger collection. So we give a title called phone charges, and then collection time, always keep it manual, and then what you do, you save. So once you save the collection, then what you do, you go on click on product, and then click on your product. Then under vendors, you take this off. And if you scroll down under collections, if you click on there, you could see your new collection, phone charges collection. So you click on that one, and then what you do, you save. Once you clicked on that one, you could see phone charges collection is under this product, and then you save. So now if you go back to collection, this has been saved now. So if you go back to collections and click on the phone charges collection, and we can see under products, we got our products under the collection. So that's how you add collection and add product to the collections. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go and customize our theme. In order to do that, from the home page, you click on online store, and then you click on customize, and then that will bring up your theme. So this is your theme at the moment, which is not customized. So what we're going to do is customize your theme. First of all, this section up here right at the top where it says test me 8219, this part is your header part. So in order to customize that, you click on the header, and then you could upload your logo up here. If you have a logo, company logo, you could upload it up here. You could change the pixel size up here, and then you could put whatever text you want to put up here under the header section. So that's the header. Then if you click on the back, and then this part up here is the slides. So at the moment there's two slideshow. There's two slides at the moment. There's 1, 2. So in order to customize the slideshow, you click on the slideshow, and then you could either have a small slideshow, or you could have large slideshow. If you want to keep it small, you could keep it small as well. And then you could have auto rotate slides. So if you click on that, it will automatically rotate after 5 seconds. So in order to add a slide, you click on there, and then you say select image. So you could upload your own image, or you could use this free images up here. If you're using the free image, guys, I would suggest to go to a website called pixiebay.com, and then you could search for a particular product or section of products that you want to upload, and these images are free as well. So if I could say a phone charges. So if I type in phone charges, phone charges, so it'll bring up all the images with phone charges. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to upload an image. It's going to be an image of my product. So if I select this one, for example, and open this, just to quickly demo you how it's going to look. So at the moment, if I select this now, it's small, which is not hasn't basically it's been pixelated. So what I'm gonna do is select adapt to first image and then save this now. So now you could view this how it looks on desktop and mobile devices. So if I go back, so this is how it looks on desktop, and on mobile devices this is how it's going to look on a mobile device. So I'm going to keep this for now, and I'm going to, let's go back again to online store, customize theme. I think I've already saved this here. I did. So if I go back to slideshow and then click on the slides, what else I could do is I think I've already done this before. So what I could do is link a button there. So if I click on the link button and click product, so I could link my product to this slide. So if I go product and select my product up here and then save this now. Okay, hold on. I think so. If I save this now and now try go the products, I think I've already saved this earlier on. So if I click on the button link and then click on products again and then select my product and save this now and then go back and go to desktop version, and then I could there'll be a link to go to my products. I could click on view all products and then that'll link it to my product page. So now what else you could do after that is, so we looked at our headers, we looked at slideshows, and then you could customize your collection. So if you click on collection list, and then what you could do, we'll click on collection and then select a collection. So remember we added a phone charger collection. So if you click on there, and we could link that to one of those collection title. So if you click on there and select and then save, see we've got the phone charger collection. So all our phone chargers will be under this collection. So you could have a phone case collection up here, you could have a phone screen protector collection up here. So you could adjust, guys. So you could have your collection for each products and group them together. And now we did save this here, and then after that your image with text. So if you click on there, up here what you could do is all your best selling product, you could pull up image of them up here, and you could give a brief description of the product. So if they're best sellers, you could showcase it more in this section. So if I click on there, you could give that a title, say best selling product or something, and then you could give a bit description about your product, why it's a bestseller, and you could put that, could center that the text on the right left. I'm just gonna leave this as is for now. And then then you come to the footer section, where you could, if I expand footer, you could change the menu. Say follow us, or there's already follow us. You could say main menu up here rather than footer menu, and you could link your main menu up here. You could follow us, that would be your social media. You could put all your social media icon up here, and then they could link to your social media sites. And then you could add more content. So you could have newsletters up here. So that's the footer. And if you add more section, you click on add section, and then you could add others, like a map. You could have a map to your footer. You could have a gallery. We already talked about collection list. You could have features collection. You could even do blog post. If you click on there, you could have a blog. You give your vlog a title, and you could do a blog post as well. Also on your you could go to your product page, and then you could customize the product page as well. So you could have your headers there, product image. So you could say stay on current page when item is added to the cart. So if someone add this item to the cart, they'll stay on this page. Or if you take this off, and when I add this product to the cart, it'll take me straight to the cart page, checkout page, sorry, and then I could buy the product. Or you could leave the default, which is they could add this product to the cart and then they could add more products before they click on the checkout. I will show dynamic checkout button. This is for each customer if they prefer certain payment method. So some people might want to pay with cards, some people might want to pay with PayPal. I usually have this checked off because that'll show all the payment option. Then enable product sharing. Yeah, this is to share the products, so they could share the product with their friends or their family members. So I'm gonna save this now and then go back. So always check how it looks on the mobile and desktop devices. So in desktop, that's how it's gonna look on desktop, and mobile devices. So mobile view is gonna look like this in mobile. And now let's go to the theme settings. Under the theme settings, what you do, you could change the background color, you could change the page background, the content background, the header text, the body text, the button link, and the promotion bars. The footer background you could change. So if I change from the background from black to say a blue, for example, dark blue, and save this, so that's how it's gonna look now on the mobile device, and on desktop that's how it's gonna look. So if I could change the header, so if I go into mobile view again and look at the headers, that's this part up here. So I could change that into say green, or even whichever color you prefer, guys, you could change it. So I'm gonna keep it as that, for example. And then the footer background, I want to change the footer background to different colors, so I could change that into say let me just go red. Second, yeah, say that. I'm gonna change it into dark red and save that. So now you could view how it looks on the desktop, and now you can see how it looks on the laptop. So sorry, on the mobile device. Okay, and then I could go back. So that's how you customize your theme, guys.